How can I scroll in the GRUB 2 shell? The outputs of the help and/or binfo command of the GRUB and NBSB 2 shell are massive. How can I scroll up the output? I've tried page up and shift plus page up, but nothing happened.
After Googling, I still haven't found a way to scroll up the output of the GRUB and NBSB 2 shell. However, there's a way to pause output, like the behavior of the more command, the pager environment variable. January 13, 2024 pager. If set to 1, pause output after each screen full and wait for keyboard input. The default is not to pause output. So, issue A, set pager equals 1, command first in the GRUB and NBSB 2 shell, and then the output will behave like more. References: January 15, 2035 pager, GRUB manual, pager support, Arch Linux Wiki.